Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Lava A7 2020 feature phone. This is one of the recent models of the Lava A7 series. There are many of them. This one came out in 2020. You can see from the transparent cover on top what the phone is supposed to look like. It has military grade certified written on top. This promises a lot of durability and toughness. As a feature phone, they tend to be tough. On the other side rather, we have some information. This particular phone has 6+ days of battery backup. It has superior stereo sound, has number talker and auto call recording, along with a lot of other features like wireless FM, super battery mode, contact photos and icons, and typing support for Hindi, English, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Punjabi and Gujarati. So a lot of features right there. Now let's open this box and take a closer look at the phone. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Lava A7 2020 version. This is the charger or the power adapter for this particular phone. Over here you will see a micro USB connector, and yeah, that's more or less it. This is the charger. Next up we have a removable battery. This is a rechargeable lithium ion battery. The capacity for this one is 1800 mAh as it's written over here. There you can see. Yeah, and it's time to take a look at the phone itself. I will remove this particular sticker. Okay. Notice that the display is almost like more than 50% of the phone itself. This is a 2.4-inch display. This is the rose gold variety. On the back side, you will notice two distinct kind of surfaces. This is the smoother surface, and this one is a bit rugged. This is basically for protecting the surface. On this side we have two ports. One is a micro USB port and the other is a 3.5mm port. And over here we have a torch, and that's more or less it. I am going to open the back cover and put the battery inside and show you the display. There's some more information you can gather from this particular area. The battery obviously goes in here. These three pins will be in contact with these three metallic surfaces over here. But outside that, you will notice that there are dual SIM trays, 1 and 2, and this tray over here, this slot over here, is for your SD card. I'm going to insert the battery now. Also notice the VGA camera at the back. There is no front-facing camera on this phone. Okay, so now I'm going to start this phone up. Well, how do you start this phone up? You see this button over here. This is the call cancel button. You press and hold this button for this phone to start up. There, you heard that. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Lava A7 feature phone. Thank you for watching.